Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying de-energized wires with a tester. Safety first. Once confirmed, remove the fixture and photograph every connection so you remember which wire goes where. Now cut out the burned or frayed section, leaving solid conductor to work with. Strip about 0.5 inch of insulation to expose clean copper. Doing this first sets you up for reliable splices and avoids reversing polarity or making poor mechanical connections later. Next, measure and cut replacement cable that matches the original conductor gauge. Undersized wire overheats. Strip equal lengths, twist like conductors, and use an approved connector or crimp sleeve for a mechanically strong joint. Solder only if connectors allow. Once joined, slide heat shrink over the splice and shrink for a sealed, insulated finish, or wrap with listed electrical tape. Make sure the cable is clamped or has a strain relief to prevent movement that could loosen the splice over time. Finally, restore power and test with a multimeter to confirm correct voltage and polarity, then switch the fixture on to verify operation. Once satisfied, tuck splices neatly into the junction box, secure the fixture, and replace the cover plate. Label the repair if required. If you notice flicker, warmth, or tripped breakers, cut power again and reopen the box to inspect for loose connections, incorrect gauge, or a damaged connector. These are the most common causes of repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.